Hello guys, hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are doing review of this blender that I got from Nigeria. So they said it can blend everything, meat and all. Even somebody that bought it for me said it can also blend pounded yam. So guys, let's unbox this together. Unboxing it. I have not tried it. So very soon I'll be trying it and see. So this is all rubber inside. I have already opened it and I just rolled it. So this is it, guys. This is what it looks like. So I think here is where to do it on. Here. This is it. So if it has such marks, which means it can blend anything blendable. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. So wait until this video is being tested so we can see what it can do for us. Thank you for watching. Bye.